Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a double exposure effect in Canva. First, upload the images you want to use for the double exposure effect. Drag the first image onto the design canvas and remove its background. To do this, click on the image, go to Edit Image and use the Background Remover tool. If you're using the free version of Canva, you can use an external website to remove the background, then re-upload the image. Next, add a new page and drag your second image onto it. Adjust the size and position of the second image by dragging it to one side, ensuring it covers the canvas properly. Download this page as an image file and re-upload it to Canva. Drag the re-uploaded image back onto the design canvas. Then go to Apps in Canva and search for the Easy Reflection tool. Select the image, apply the reflection effect, and adjust the opacity to 60 and the blur to 100. Add the reflection to your design and delete the extra layers that aren't needed. Flip the reflected image horizontally and adjust its size to fit your composition. Position it slightly to the side so the effect aligns visually. Increase the size of the head or main subject in your design for a stronger effect. Now, change the background by selecting it and applying a gradient style. Add text to complete the design. Change the text color to white and select a clean font. Position the text in the center of your design for balance. Once everything looks good, select all elements and align them to the middle. And that's how you create a double exposure effect in Canva. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.